gonna be in the intro? Oh! Hey everyone, Roodle Doodles here with Fee today. And today I'm going to be doing a comparison of several different gel pens, as well as doing a product review of the ParKoo Gel Pens. And it's going to be a jam-packed video and I'm really excited. But first make sure you're subscribed, because that would make Fee really happy. And you won't miss out on any future videos. You want down. Okay, here you go. Now let's get started with the unboxing of the ParKoo Gel Pens. Now I just want to start off by saying that ParKoo hasn't paid me or sponsored this video. They simply sent me this set of pens to try it for myself and give my honest review. I was excited to collaborate with them and even more excited to try out their product. As you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't even seen the box of pens at this point. So let's open this package and see how they look. And there it is! So it looks like they went for a more minimalist design for their packaging, which I can appreciate. Most of the box is white with black ink, except for the brand logo, the outline of the red pen, and the outline of the blue pen. On the box it gives you all the important details, such as that it's a 20 gel pen pack, there are 2 red pens, 6 blue pens, and 12 black pens. The pens are 0.5mm tip size, and their slogan for this line of pen is that they dry 3 times faster for reduced smearing, which I don't know how much truth there is to that, but I guess we'll see in this review. And on the back there's even more details if you want to know more. There's the material they're made out of, the tip style, the approximate pen dimensions, the writing length, as well as their shop website. So if you're curious and you want to, you can go check out parkooshop.com for more information, or you can check out their product page on Amazon. I'll include both links in the description. But I think we've looked at the box long enough, so let's finish opening these pens. Now that the package is open, you can see all the pens are actually lined up. The 2 red, the 6 blue, and the 12 black pens. Now let's pull out the first pen for some first impressions. First up, we have the black ink pen. It has a very smooth matte finish, and on the barrel it says the brand name, the point size, and their dries 3 times faster slogan. There's no grip and a linear shape to the barrel, which I know is hit or miss with some people. It also comes with wax seals on all the tips, which is nice so that during delivery it doesn't leak and then you get pens that are half empty. Next up is the red and the blue pen. These have everything the black pen does on the barrel. No grip, no shape to the barrel, also has a pocket clip, which I know some people use to attach pens to journals or bags or whatnot. Still has a smooth click with a wax seal on the tip. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like the wax seal on the blue pen has actually melted a bit. I'm not sure if that happened in shipping, or if it just happened to be because of where I was storing it, if they got too hot, but ultimately it's not that big of a deal. I just cleaned it off and washed my hands. In order to truly put these ParKoo gel pens to the test, I'm going to be comparing them to 3 other brands of gel pens, and we're going to see how they hold up next to those. I'm going to be comparing all these pens in my grid notebook. I'm going to start the pen comparison with the ParKoo gel pens. While testing pens, I usually write out the phrase "once upon a time" because I usually find this is a good length to have the ink flowing but not take too much time. And then I do a short line of squiggles to test if it glitches or skips on curves. This specific set costs $10.99 on Amazon, which for 20 pens is a really good price. And actually right now you can use a coupon that's on the Amazon page that gives you 20% off, which makes this an even better deal. And as I've mentioned before, it's a 0.5 point size. Next, I'm going to be swatching the Uni-Ball Signo 207 gel pen. These pens are priced at $7.06 for an 8-count pack on Amazon, and they are a 0.7 point size. Now I'm going over the Callisto Gel Pens. This is the Office Depot house brand gel pen, and it's a 0.7 point size. A 20 pack for these on Office Depot's website is $13.49. And finally, I'm going to review the Papermate Inkjoy Gel Pens. These are $17.99 on Amazon for a 20 pack, and this pen has a point size of 0.7. Overall, I think all these pens have their own pros and cons, and it's very much up to your own personal opinions and preferences to decide what's best for you, but I'll briefly go over what I learned from comparing these pens. Starting with the ParKoo pens. While they did have a faint red ink pen, which was a con for me, they also had my favorite blue ink pen. And they are the most budget friendly at only 55 cents per pen, which is an amazing deal. Next was the Uni-Ball Signo Gel Pens. These I personally wasn't a big fan of. Between the streaky texture of the ink and them being pretty pricey at 88 cents per pen, they didn't have much going for them in my opinion. Now the Callisto pens. While these were also very affordable, pricing at about 67 cents per pen, I feel like the colors were not what I wanted them to be. The blue was too dark, the red was too faint, and the black was too faint. And finally, I'll review the Papermate Inkjoy Pens. While it did have my favorite red pen because it was so bold, the red pen actually bled through the page a little, which is something you never want. And it was also the most expensive pen, pricing at 90 cents per pen. So in conclusion, all things considered, these are all great pens. However, I do think the ParKoo gel pens are probably the best deal of the 4 I reviewed. Between their quality and their low price, these pens can really help you upgrade your stationery collection without breaking the bank. Another important component to consider when investing in pens is whether or not they're going to smudge when you use them. In order to test this for the ParKoo pens, I developed a smear test, where we'll be able to test different types of smudging over different amounts of time to see what works and what doesn't. I'll be testing smudges at 1 second, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. Using my finger, a Sharpie highlighter, a Zebra mild liner, and a Tombow dual brush pen at each time mark. So let's get started. I'll be back at the end with all my findings. Overall, none of the pens smudged from my finger, which was a pleasant surprise. The black pen smeared a little from the different markers I used, however each time change it got better until it basically didn't smear at all after 10 seconds. The blue pen smeared a little from the markers at 1 second, however by 10 seconds, the Sharpie and the mild liner didn't smear at all, and the Tombow just barely smudged a little at the front where I think the ink may have pooled up. And finally, the red pen didn't smear once, not from any of the markers or my fingers, so I think that's really impressive. Overall, I think the ParKoo pens were a very good deal. Sure, there were a few flaws, but as you could hopefully tell from my pen comparison, not every pen is perfect, and this is a great deal if you're really weary to invest a lot of money into journaling supplies, but you want something a little more than a pencil and an eraser. Thanks so much for watching my pen comparison and product review, and thanks again to ParKoo for sending me these gel pens. If you like them, I'll include their website and their Amazon product page in the description down below. And if anyone else wants to send me things to review, I will include my business email in the description down below. And just a note, some of the links in my description may be affiliate links. All that means is if you click on that link and make a purchase, I may get a small commission at no extra cost to you, so it really helps support the channel, and you don't have to pay anything at all, so it really would help me out. Speaking of supporting the channel, I really want to thank all of you for supporting me so far in this journey. It's been 5 weeks as of recording this, and we're already at 65 subscribers, which blows my mind. And I really want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for being here and enjoying my content and talking with me and just giving me a chance to share my passion for bullet journal and stationery with you. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, and I hope you're looking for more to come, because there is a lot more to come. And as always, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Happy doodling!